Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sayyida Fahmina from Ahmed bin Majid Private School. This video is about Topic 12 Aldehydes and Ketones, Objective 12.1c. Distinguish between aldehyde and ketones by using Fehling's and Tollens reagent. Aldehydes, carbonyl group has hydrogen and another side is alkyl group. Unlike ketones, ketones has both side alkyl groups and in the middle is carbonyl group. At the end of this video, learners should be able to distinguish between aldehydes and ketones by using Fehling's and Tollens reagent, some important terminologies, conditions necessary to proceed the reaction and visual identification. Distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones can be distinguished by their oxidation reactions. Or you can say on the basis of oxidation you can distinguish between aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes show oxidation reaction under normal condition and produce carboxylic acid, while ketones cannot. The reason is there is no hydrogen connected directly to the carbonyl group, unlike aldehyde. Oxidation reagent, we already learn about potassium dichromate or sodium dichromate in the presence of dilute sulfuric acids. Here the oxidizing agent chromate 6-ion, catalyst sulfuric acid, condition heat under reflux, organic product carboxylate ion or carboxylic acid. In case of chromate ions, Cr plus 6 is orange in color. So when aldehydes oxidize to carboxylic acid, the orange color change to green, but in case of ketone there is no change. Tollens reagent contain ammonical silver ion or ammonical silver nitrate solution. Silver ions act as a oxidizing agent. Catalyst here is sodium or potassium hydroxide or hydroxide ions. Heat in water bath. If under normal condition there is no result in case of aldehyde, so keep the test tubes in water bath, hot water bath. Organic product carboxylate ion or carboxylic acid. In case of aldehyde, silver mirror is formed along the walls of the test tube. In case of ketones, no change. Fehling solution contains copper 2 ion, complex of copper 2 ion. Copper 2 ions act as oxidizing agent. Same catalyst hydroxide ion. Heat in water bath. Carboxylate ions or carboxylic acid, organic product. In case of aldehyde, red-orange precipitate of copper 1 oxide is formed. It means blue solution changed to red-orange precipitate, but in case of ketone there is no change, blue color remains blue. Equations with dichromate ion, this is aldehyde. Oxidize under acidic condition, we will get carboxylic acid, but under alkaline condition we will get carboxylate ion or salt of carboxylic acid. Orange color remain orange in case of ketone, but orange color change to green in case of aldehyde. Tollens test. Ammonical silver nitrate 2Ag NH3 taken twice positive when react with any aldehyde in the presence of alkaline medium. Silver mirror is formed in case of aldehyde, but in case of ketones, no change. Carboxylate ion, or you can say salt of carboxylic acid, ammonia gas is released and water molecules are also formed. Fehling test. Any aldehyde when react with complex of copper 2 ion, red-orange precipitate of copper 1 oxide is formed. So in case of aldehyde, the blue color changed to red-orange precipitate of copper 1 oxide, but in case of ketone, the blue color remains blue. Good luck. Thank you.